Hey everyone's the open door here.
Subscribe to RNL Gaming.
Yeah, I was gonna get there. So we made a big Andrew made a TNT house. I blew it up with villagers on it and creepers, and then we made another one and we blew that up. And look what I got. And so now we just placed a bit more TNT. So I'm just gonna show you the survivors. We have 3 Endermen, man, maybe, possibly woman or gay, and we have this one, which the zombie really desires to kill. This is the first survivor I found, and he's inside here. So, yeah, share your prayers with him.
He doesn't deserve any prayers.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's already. He just got born. Oh, do you know that 1 out of 8 villagers shall be slapped when they first get born? True fact. I've done it. Okay. So we're going to be keeping an eye on him while we blow this thingy up. And subscribe to Arnold Gaming. If you don't know who he is, me too. I don't know. So let's get started. So we got beautiful view, creepers, zombie, and everything. Okay, 3, 2, no, on the count of 10. Whoopsies. Whoopsie. You can't see anything like that. 3. No, on the count of 10. 1, 2, 10. Okay. Whoa, oh, crashes. The crashes are real. Gypsy. I'm colorblind or something. Okay, is he alive? Are they alive? I think that's where he was. He doesn't look there anymore. Or somewhere. But I don't see any villagers. And then there's also another group in the water. Let's go look at them. I don't see anything. So I guess they survived. I mean they didn't survive. Whoops. So yep, they didn't survive at all. Nope. Andrew, there's a survivor. Andrew. They're right there, it's like in the waterfall. He almost drowned or something. There's a survivor. Oh, it's the same one in the waterfall. Okay, let me just. Okay, let me just. Oh, sorry-ish. Not really. Beat 1 with the villager. Sorry, no spiders allowed. Now where were we? Wow, we should get comfortable, I guess. Am I right? You know, I really hate you. Zombies! Yeah! Ooh! Crackers! Ooh, how do I get up here? Oh my god, the zombie's still alive! I put zombies, you see that, guys? Well, you know what this means? We need more explosion. Actually, Minecraft players do though.
Instead of knowledge explosion, I stare them down, and that's why they explode.
Come on, more. A bit more. Oh, I don't have to do that. Whoops. Yeah.
Why are you being a pervert?
I'm not. No! They can't see! How are the peeps gonna see?
They don't. I bet they would cut off the video by now.
I just want to make a TNT towers. that's a sour loser who still plays with Legos.
I don't play Lego. This is my sister's iPad. What are you talking
Do
about?
play with those Legos. Look. I'm gonna go give a tour to your room. There are the Legos.
We're gonna post on
There's the and there's his Lego games. There's some Lego movie. There's some Pokemon. Let's say to use you. And there's me. There's
Did you say ISIS?
No. I did definitely.
ISIS and it fell.
Okay, so this is something from Star Wars. I forgot the name, and then this is the. So that's Kai's jet from the Lego Ninjago Remix, and that's Jay's thingy, and with Cole thingy, and that's like an A, or that's like a Star Wars spider, and that's an A. I think that's no, that's a Z-wing. I forgot my wings, and that's like a giant, and that's also Ultra Agents, and he's right behind me.